Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little bit, but today I'm really excited to be reviewing a new product, and I'm actually using this product to light this video right now. We're going to be looking at the Hobolite Mini and Hobolite Pro Creator Kit from Harlowe. So before I dive into the first box, I just wanted to mention that this is an unboxing video. I might do more technical, in-depth setup videos in the future, showing the features of the different lights. But I'm going to give you my impressions on what it's like to actually unbox the Harlowe Hobolite products. So starting out, we're going to start with the Hobolite Mini, which comes in a very nice cardboard box with actually color print photo of the product on it, so that's really nice. And we're going to go ahead and just open this up. Oh wow. Okay, that's a good way to start. As you can see, there's a very nice case for the product. So already, this is a super nice case. We have the leather handle and zippers here, and this is just like, it feels really firm and actually protective while also looking very nice. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Okay, very nice presentation on the actual equipment. So let's see what we have here. Obviously, first off, we're going to have the Hobolite Mini, and it's very compact. It's actually very lightweight. I think they said it weighs about a pound. This is a 20-watt light with adjustable focus on the front here. And yeah, to go ahead and actually, if you just want to make sure it works, power it up, you're going to go ahead and hold the power button right here. And it's actually going to prompt you to rotate the power button. So you hold and rotate, and that is going to be what powers on the light. And you have your adjustable power at the top, and you also have your adjustable color temperature below that. It mimics the Pro design very closely, and yeah, I mean, it just feels super high quality. I love the texture, kind of the leather texture on the side, and it feels very robust. So next up, we have this little package here, which be careful when you open this because this is all loosely set in here, but just kind of rotate that over. So this is going to be your barn doors. And this is also how you apply the filters to the front of the light. And as you can see, we actually have a little focusing, light focusing filter put in there already. And then we have some diffusion, you can see that. And then we actually, the really cool is we have different color filters. So we got green, kind of orange, red, and blue. And really nice design. These actually just magnetize straight to the light. So it just makes it super convenient to swap these out however you like. Just magnetizes on there and doesn't come off. So that's nice. And then this light focusing filter kind of just sets in there. Takes a little bit of finagling, but yeah, get the idea. There it is. Cool. All right, that is all super nice. What else do we get in the kit? Well, below that, you're going to find your charging brick. And let's see, USB-C to USB-C, really nice braided cable there. Oh, and a little Allen wrench. You can see that. Okay, and we have our little Harlowe Mini tripod. So if you just need to set the light down on some smooth surface, I was remarking to my friend on the quality of this earlier. I mean, just feels so robust. It's cold metal to the touch. It's got some weight to it. It's just the attention to detail and the quality of this product is, I've never seen anything else like it. And then you have a couple options as far as mounting the light. So you just have the larger thread tripod mount, and you'll actually see that the little mini tripod here has big threads on it, and if you pull this down, it actually has smaller threads for a traditional kind of camera base. So that works out really well. Now I'm going to pull this one out as well. This is again kind of this is your standard tripod thread mount. That's what I'm using to actually mount the Hobolite Mini that I'm currently using. And these are V-mount, which everything in the Hobolite series seems to use this V-mount system, and it's super, super nice, super, super satisfying. It just clicks in like that, and there's no movement at all. I mean, it is rock solid. So yeah, really, really impressed with this product, and then you could just click to slide it out. And that is everything that is included in the Hobolite Mini Creator Kit. So I'm going to get into the Pro here in a minute, but the Mini, it's awesome just because it's so portable and so easy to just hook up and get going. I'm excited to actually try the app control for this because I think that's going to make it really easy to sync up lights, and yeah, it's going to be really, really versatile. So let's go ahead and move on to the Hobolite Pro Creator Kit. So first things first, as you can see, it warns you not to use a box cutter. I have a small pocket knife. I'm going to be very, very careful as I open this. There are some things that you would not want to accidentally cut into inside the box. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to obviously do this in segments here. I'll start with some of the accessories and then get to the actual light itself. So let's get into it. We have the Pro softbox that comes with the Creator Kit. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, I'm seeing a very nice case, looks like, again. The leather Hobolite logo on there, and let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we have. All right, get that out of the way for now. But this is a very nice softbox. Let's go ahead and give it a look here. All right. Yeah, so I mean, if you're familiar with photo video equipment, you've probably seen a softbox before. And let's see what we have inside. We have, it looks like some extra Velcro. Okay, set that down for now. Obviously we have our scrims, and there's actually two of them. There's inner diffusion and the outer diffusion. So you have two layers of diffusion with this. And this one, oh, okay, awesome. Yeah, this is what a clip-in system. So actually you don't have to mess with any screws and holding the softbox open. You simply take it and click it in. I can demo that now. So essentially, you just press down on the center of the softbox and it clips in. So you don't have to worry about it, and there's a button for when you want to release it. Just like that. And I'm using the other softbox that I have now. It was very, very easy to set up with the scrims. So on to the next item. Alrighty, next up, we have the CF Tripod Light Stand by Hobolite. And let's go ahead and get into the box here. Okay, let's check it out. Sweet. All right, so we have an extra strap here, and looks like they have, might have to screw on the light, the attachment to the top of this. Not sure, but we'll see in a minute here. Oh, wow, okay. Get our silica gel out of here. Already, this is really, really nice looking, and considering the size of it, it's actually extremely lightweight. The main stand here is a nice woven carbon fiber. We have these metal pieces for the hinges, and let's go ahead and just undo this Velcro and see what it's like to actually operate this thing. So we have the tab here to loosen it, and we should be able to just extend it. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna be able to give you a full look at this just sitting here, so let me go ahead and rearrange some cameras and give you a better look at this. All right, the tripod, let's check it out. See how tall this baby goes. So, obviously, you have 3 very long, very sturdy legs. Really good, just sturdy on the ground. But the craziest part is it actually has leg extensions, so you can even go further out. And actually, I'll go ahead and extend these so we can just show you what this thing's all about. So this thing is already almost as tall as me, and we haven't even adjusted these at all. So first level there, and it's already out of the frame, so I'll adjust that. All right, and we have this extension, which almost goes to the ceiling, and the craziest part, I can't even reach it, but it has another one. So realistically, you can get that light really, really high up, which is super awesome, especially for automotive photography and any other applications that you might need. So really, really high quality tripod. It is $500 on their website. It is worth every penny. Okay, last but certainly not least, we have the Hobolite Pro. And that is quite a heavy box, and it does remind you not to use a box cutter. So I suspect we're gonna find some more high quality carrying cases inside of here. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so straight away we have an extremely large but very high quality and heavy box or case. So straight away, just the details on the packaging and the carrying case itself, the leather accents, the logo, and actually these grips, which hold it in place, whatever surface it's in, are just, the attention to detail is fantastic. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have inside of this. I'm gonna have to undo this real quick. Okay. The presentation is just something to behold. I mean, you can already just tell the quality of the product and the various items that are included as well. So let's go ahead and dive into what we have in this carrying case. Obviously, first off, we have the light itself, the Hobolite Pro. Go ahead and kind of move this out of the way. And wow, I mean, what a unit. It's a 300 watt, 30,000 lumen light on full power. It has interchangeable kind of lenses. Obviously, they have a quick release system for the softbox, and yeah, it is quite the unit. As you can see from the factory, it does not have the screen installed on the back, but I'm actually excited to show you that feature because it's really, really neat. So let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the items in the box. All right, so continuing on, we have what looks like the charger for the batteries, and this uses a V-mount system as well. So that's pretty neat. All right, so this is the 300 watt power supply. And as you can see, the really neat thing about this power supply is you have 2 batteries already mounted on it, and this can power the light independently from a wall outlet, or obviously you can connect this to a wall outlet. There's another really cool feature about this system that I'm excited to share with you in just a moment. So let's go ahead and get to it. But first off, let's finish off what else is in the box. We have a very large set of barn doors. Go ahead and open these up here and see what they've left inside for us. We have another piece of diffusion here, focuses the light. And okay, we have a pouch in here. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay, yes, this is what I was looking for. So this is the screen for the light. And the really, really cool thing about this is, as you can see, it is independent of the light itself. That means you have different mounting options for the actual controls of the light. So on the light itself, you'll see the backing has these 4 pins here, and this just magnetizes straight to the back. And that's going to give you full control of the light just like that. Or oftentimes when you're working, the light is going to be on the tripod. It's going to be way up in the air, currently like how I have mine set up. And you're not going to be able to reach the screen on the back of the light. So what they've done is they have put a tab on the back of the power supply, and you can actually magnetize the screen straight to the power supply, and you can mount this power supply at a height that is very easy to use, and you can control the light entirely from the power supply. So that is really, really huge, great design, and I'm super excited to start using that feature. And I actually already have with the light I have set up. So let's go ahead and finish off the video with the rest of the items in the box here. We got some cables. This is the cable that goes between the power supply and the light. This looks like the charging cable. So this is going to go into the charging block here. And this cable goes from the wall into the power supply. So couple cables there, and finally this is going to be what mounts the power supply. Looks like with a V-mount. I think this one has it. Yep. So V-mount right here. This is going to be what slides in and mounts the power supply to the Harlowe tripod. So let me go ahead and get a little organized here, and I'll close out the video and give you my final impressions. So to conclude, well, what can I say? I really haven't unboxed anything this nice ever. The cases are just super padded, high quality, and really, really nice. Just really, really nice presentation, very professional and stylish. And the products themselves, obviously they kind of have a retro vibe to them, but their performance is undeniable. Like I said, I use them to shoot this video. I'm running the Mini on this side and the Pro on this side with the diffuser and the tripod, and I am loving them so far. So I do a lot of professional automotive photography and videography. Typically I use a lot of studio strobes in my work. I think that with something as powerful as the Hobolite Pro, I'm going to be able to light vehicles with constant light, which is going to be a game changer because it allows me more versatility to move around the car, especially in lower light scenarios where I want to just light up the car itself. So this is a really, really cool tool to have. And in case you guys are interested in purchasing either of these items, the Hobolite Mini Creator Kit retails, I believe, for $399, and the Hobolite Pro Creator Kit retails for $1,999. And I will obviously have a link to Harlowe's website in the description of this video. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have any suggestions for photo shoots you'd like to see. My Instagram is evanlewis.expedition. Feel free to go there and check out some of my work and DM me. So anyway, thanks so much guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.